Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Writing Skills for All. Today we will learn how to write a 70-word paragraph on Vibhuti Bhushan Bandyopadhyay. This question is from class 8, West Bengal Board of Secondary Education. First summative evaluation. First read the question carefully. You are given some hints. Your job is to turn those hints into full sentence. Remember, your paragraphs should be around 70 words. Here are some important tips for students. Number 1. Follow the hints carefully. Number 2. Write short and correct sentences. Number 3. Maintain the word limit. And last but not the least, practice writing at home. Here is a bonus question for you. Write one sentence about Vibhuti Bhushan Bandyopadhyay in your own words. Write your sentence in the comments. Now let us write the answer step by step. So today's topic is paragraph writing on Vibhuti Bhushan Bandyopadhyay, Class 8, West Bengal Board of Secondary Education, 70 words. And today's question is, write a paragraph in about 70 words on the famous Bengali writer Vibhuti Bhushan Bandyopadhyay. Use the following hints. Born on 12 September 1894. Father Mahananda Bandyopadhyay and mother Mrinalini Devi. Early education at Bongaon High School. Intermediate and graduation from Ripon College, now known as Surendranath College of Kolkata. Worked as a headmaster at Jongipara High School and later at Horinovi Anglo-Sanskrit Institution. Famous novels are Pother Pachali, Aparajito, Aranyok, Devjan, Ichamati, Chander Pahar, etc. Died on 1st November 1950. Now let's write the answer. Vibhuti Bhushan Bandyopadhyay. Biography of paragraph writing Vibhuti Bhushan Bandyopadhyay. Vibhuti Bhushan Bandyopadhyay was a famous Bengali writer. Famous Bengali writer. He was born on 12 September 1894. His father was Mahananda Bandyopadhyay. Mahananda Bandyopadhyay, and his mother was Mrinalini Devi. He studied at Bongaon High School. And later at Ripon College. College, now Surendranath College. He worked as a headmaster in different schools. His famous novels include পথের পাঁচালী, অপরাজিত, and চাঁদের পাহাড়. He died on 1st November 1950. 1950. I hope this video helps you in your exam preparation. If you like this video, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Writing Skills for All. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.